Now for the first approach, where we create a custom block, we could just throw in all of this content as HTML in the body. But just like with nodes, it makes sense to model this data as fields. It makes it easier to create and edit content and allows the content to be reusable in a variety of ways. So let's set up a custom block type. In our custom block library, let's select block types and let's add a custom block type. We'll call this featured adventurer. And for the description, we'll put a short blurb about one of our participants. I'll click save. And now if we look at our wireframe again, we'll need an image field, a name field, and a description field. So let's manage fields for the featured adventurer block type. It comes with a body. We'll edit this and call it description. I'll click save settings. And now let's add a field for the image. You may notice that over on the right, we don't have any fields to reuse, even though we've added numerous fields to our content types. This is because fields can only be shared within the same entity type. So you can create fields that have the same machine name as another field that already exists for a different entity type. Call this photo, and we'll edit the machine name to be featured adventurer photo. I'll click save and continue. We'll leave these at the defaults. Scroll down. We'll set the file directory to featured adventurer. We'll leave everything else at the defaults and click Save Settings. Now for nodes, there's a built-in title field, and we can manipulate where the title field shows using views or display suite. For blocks, however, the title shows at the top of the block regardless. So if we go back to our wireframe, if we want the name of the adventurer to show up below the image, we're going to need to add a separate field for it instead of using the title. So let's add that field. Select text plain. We'll type full name and click save and continue. We'll leave these values and we'll click save settings.